Look straight ahead for high-speed cross. Continuing with the induction, the pilot in command of Taurus 2 is Squadron Leader Louise Singh. His co-pilot today is Squadron Leader Narvin Sangam. The captain of Taurus 3 is Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. Today, विमान आते दिखाई दे रहे हैं और इस फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन सुरेंद्रन।
विमान वजन में सबसे हल्का अवश्य है, परंतु इसकी मारक क्षमता सब पर भारी पड़ती है। भारत का गौरव लाइट कॉम्बैट एयरक्राफ्ट तेजस फॉर्मेशन में।
Continue looking out, the aircraft will come for a very tight offensive turn, displaying its superior aerodynamic design abilities. It is turning tight on a racetrack with this high in front of you. Watch as it turns effortlessly in a domain of just a few hundred meters. Symbolic of strengthening jointness between the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy, we will have Indian Navy's PATI flanked by Mirage 2000s of the Indian Air Force flying in from Alycopter side. The Indian Navy's PATI is a multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft excelling at anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. This formation is being led by Commander Jishnu Madhavan. Along leading the Mirages today is Squadron Leader Siddhant Singh. It is the first time that the PATI is participating in flying display of the Air Force Day celebration. The interoperability between the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force will ensure protection of our national interests in maritime domain.